Welcome to Best Learn English Online.
The spirit of friendship continued to grow, reminding all who lived there that life, much like a bountiful orchard, is sweetest when shared with those you love. Once upon a time in the vibrant land of Fruitvale, where the sun always seemed to shine and the air was fragrant with sweet scents, lived a curious little bird named Kiwi. Kiwi was no ordinary bird. She had feathers the color of the fruit she was named after, vivid green speckled with brown. Every day, she soared through the bright blue sky, exploring the wonders of her colorful home. Fruitvale was renowned for its magical trees that bore enchanted fruits. Each tree was unique, just like the birds that flitted among their branches. There were the elegant cherry blossoms that hosted sweet ruby-red cherries, and the stately apple oaks that offered crisp, juicy apples. The birds of Fruitvale were as diverse as the fruits. There were the gentle bluebirds, the joyful mango sparrows, and the mischievous pomegranate parrots. One day, while chasing a sparkling dragonfly, Kiwi ventured deeper into the heart of the orchard than she ever had before. There, she stumbled upon an ancient tree unlike any she had seen. Its trunk was gnarled and twisted, and it was adorned with shimmering golden fruits that sparkled in the sunlight. "What kind of fruit are you?" Kiwi asked, landing on a low branch. "I am the golden fig," replied the tree in a deep, resonant voice. "I grant a wish to any bird brave enough to pluck my fruit." Kiwi's eyes widened with excitement. She had heard tales of the golden fig from the elder birds, but she never thought she would encounter it herself. "What should I wish for?" she pondered aloud. Just then her friends, the bluebirds and the mango sparrows, flitted into the clearing. They landed beside her, intrigued by the shimmering tree. "What's going on?" asked Bella, a bright bluebird with feathers as blue as the sky. "This tree can grant wishes," Kiwi exclaimed, her heart racing. "We should all make a wish together." The mango sparrows chimed in with their sweet chirps, suggesting that they could wish for endless mangoes to feast on. The bluebirds, always dreaming of adventure, suggested a wish for the ability to fly to distant lands. Kiwi, however, had a different thought. "What if we wished for something even bigger? What if we wished for friendship and harmony among all the birds in Fruitvale?" After some deliberation, the group agreed. They approached the golden fig, and Kiwi bravely plucked one of its shimmering fruits. As she did, the tree glowed brighter, and a warm breeze surrounded them. "Make your wish," the golden fig encouraged. With all their hearts, the birds chirped in unison. "We wish for friendship and harmony among all the birds in Fruitvale." In an instant, a burst of light enveloped the clearing, and the sweet scent of ripe fruit filled the air. the moment faded, and the birds felt a newfound sense of unity among them. They flapped their wings in excitement, and soon all the birds of Fruitvale joined together in a joyous song. From that day forward, Fruitvale flourished with the laughter and harmony of its feathered inhabitants. The bluebirds taught the mango sparrows how to sing, while the pomegranate parrots shared their vibrant colors with everyone. Together, they celebrated the beauty of their differences, just as the orchard celebrated the variety of its fruits. Kiwi, now a symbol of friendship, continued to explore her beloved Fruitvale. She often visited the Golden Fig, sharing stories of adventure and laughter with her friends. Knowing that their wish had created a bond that would last forever. And so, in the land of Fruitvale, where the trees danced in the wind and the birds sang their sweet melodies, friendship blossomed as beautifully as the ripest fruit, a reminder that sometimes the most precious gifts come from the simplest of wishes. As the seasons changed in Fruitvale, so did the birds' adventures. Each day brought new opportunities for exploration and fun, and with their newfound unity, they decided to embark on a grand journey to discover the legendary Fruit Festival. A celebration said to occur only once a year when the fruits of all kinds ripened in harmony. Kiwi, with her boundless energy, led the group as they set off on their quest. Along the way, they encountered several magical landmarks, each more enchanting than the last. The first was the Rainbow River, where sparkling waters flowed like liquid light. The birds gathered at the bank, sipping the refreshing nectar of the wild honeysuckle that grew along there. "This is the perfect place for a song," chirped Bella, the bluebird, fluttering her wings. They all joined in, their voices harmonizing like the colors of the rainbow reflecting in the water. Next, they traveled through the whispering woods, where the trees seemed to talk among themselves. The birds listened carefully as the trees shared tales of the land's history and the importance of friendship. The wise old oak spoke of the first gathering of the birds many years ago and how they had vowed to protect their. "The bonds of friendship are what make our community strong," the oak advised. "Cherish each other, and you will always find your way back to one another." Inspired, the birds continued their journey, their hearts swelling with appreciation for each other and their unique gifts. As they flew over hills dotted with wildflowers, they spotted the golden arches of the Fruit Festival in the distance, shimmering in the sunlight. When they arrived, the sight was breathtaking. The festival grounds were alive with colors. Filled with fruits of every kind, plump blueberries, radiant oranges, and exotic dragon fruits. The air buzzed with laughter and music as birds from all over Fruitvale gathered to celebrate. Kiwi and her friends quickly joined in the festivities. They played games, danced among the fruit stalls, and even participated in a friendly fruit-eating contest. The mango sparrows shone in their element, showing off their impressive mango-munching skills. The bluebirds dazzled everyone with their enchanting melodies, filling the air with joy. As the sun began to set, casting a golden hue over the festival, an elder bird named Elder Plum took to the stage. With feathers like ripe plums and a voice that resonated with wisdom, he addressed the gathering. Tonight, we celebrate not just the abundance of fruit but the abundance of friendship that nourishes our hearts. Let us honor our bonds. The crowd erupted into cheers, and the festival transformed into a dazzling display of colors and music. Kiwi looked around at her friends, realizing how far they had come since the day they had wished for harmony. They danced and sang together, each bird contributing its own unique flair to the festivities. As the stars began to twinkle above, Elder Plum called for the final event of the night, the luminary flight. All the birds were invited to create their own glowing lanterns from the fruits that surrounded them. With their creativity flowing, Kiwi and her friends crafted a beautiful lantern made of intertwined vines, berries, and flowers which glowed softly in the twilight. With their lantern shining bright, they joined the other birds for the luminary flight. Soaring into the night sky, the sight was breathtaking. Hundreds of glowing lanterns lit up the dark, weaving through the stars like a constellation of friendship. As they flew, Kiwi felt a deep sense of joy and belonging. She knew that the bonds they had formed were not just about their shared adventures, but about understanding and celebrating each other's differences. When they finally descended back to the festival grounds, the atmosphere was electric with joy. The elder birds praised their creativity and unity, awarding them the title of guardians of the festival, a role that would symbolize their commitment to friendship in Fruitvale. From that day on, Kiwi and her friends took it upon themselves to spread the message of friendship and harmony throughout their land. They organized gatherings, taught the younger birds the importance of community, and ensured that every creature in Fruitvale felt included. As the years passed, Fruitvale flourished, becoming a beacon of love and friendship. The birds learned that together, they could face any challenge, just as the diverse fruits of their land thrived together, creating a beautiful tapestry of colors and flavors. And so, in the heart of Fruitvale, the spirit of friendship continued to grow, reminding all who lived there that life, much like a bountiful orchard, is sweetest when shared with those you love.
That sounds like a fantastic channel concept. Helping people learn English online can be incredibly rewarding. Are you focusing on specific methods or tools, like interactive exercises, grammar tips, or language practice? Video is over. Get out of here first, comment and let me know how you liked the video. And subscribe if you like your will and it's part 2.